Have you ever wondered why we hiccup? Hiccups are weird, annoying, and come out of nowhere, but your body actually has a tiny, surprising reason for them. A hiccup happens when your diaphragm jerks suddenly. That jerk snaps your vocal cords shut, making the classic hic sound. It can be triggered by eating too fast, drinking fizzy drinks, excitement, or even stress. Essentially, your body overreacts to a tiny irritation in your stomach or throat. So next time a hiccup hits, it's just your diaphragm having a harmless little freak out. Strange, sudden, and completely normal.